A Saturday storm on the way. I'm meteorologist Joe Martucci, and for the first time in a while, we have a coastal flood alert in effect. This will be in effect from 6 a.m. to noon on Saturday with our coastal flood advisory. We look at Atlantic City. We are in minor flood stage. That is the oranges that you see. High tides will be between 7 to 9 a.m. for the Atlantic Ocean waters, and then later on the Delaware Bay. We're looking at Cape May Harbor, getting pretty close to moderate flood stage, which is 7.2 feet at the gauge. Forecast is for 6.9. I do believe, though, there will be a couple of spots in moderate flood stage. Now, here are some road closures possible. In Ship Bottom, if you're heading over onto the mainland, that area typically floods in this kind of situation, so you could see a road closure there. Black and White Horse Pikes, of course, as we typically see. Shore Road, you can include in that as well. Park Boulevard and Wildwood Crest and Route 637. I think many of us just know that's the road that gets into Fortescue. Also will have water on it, and you can follow me on social media for the latest as we go through our Saturday morning. For this afternoon, temperatures will be in the mid-50s on the mainland, upper 40s at the shore. We'll be in between high cloud cover and then sunshine, but I think we're going to be more cloudy than not throughout this mild day. Then as we go into the overnight hours tonight, not that cold. Temperatures about 15 degrees above average. That's because of the thickening fog we have, as well as that onshore flow. Fog will be possible along with patches of drizzle here as we go into the overnight hours. Now, there is still a code blue in effect for Atlantic County for tonight. If you need a warm place to sleep, there are resources available for you in the county. Let's take it into Saturday here. This is our radar as of 7 a.m. Looks like the start time is going to be a little bit later. We'll go with 5 to 7 a.m. And then as we go into 10 a.m., that big slug of moisture starts to come in. I think the heaviest part of our rain is going to be between about 8 a.m. to noon here. This is 1 p.m. on Saturday. Notice how the rain's already cutting off on the south side of the low pressure system. I think Fortescue and Vineland and Millville could be over as early as noon, but it should be until 3 p.m. that we see the rain completely exit here in South Jersey. Rainfall totals look to be between 3/4 of an inch to 1.25 inches, 0.7 in Stowe Creek, 0.8 in Atlantic City, 0.9 over in Holgate. It'll be a windy day on Saturday as well. Winds will be from the southeast. You're going to want to secure your loose objects. Perhaps there is a spotty power outage at the shore. These are sustained winds as we go throughout the day. Sustained wind 34 miles an hour in Atlantic City. That's for Saturday afternoon. I'll do it one more time. Watch what happens here. Pretty much around 30 miles an hour sustained. Gusts will be a little bit higher than that during the late morning into the early afternoon on Saturday here. So it's heavy rain Saturday morning. Thunderstorm is even possible as well. We start to taper off for the afternoon. I think by 3 o'clock we're dry. We'll start to see some clearing as we go into our evening here. Now for Sunday, we'll start out with some sunshine. Then we'll have clouds as we go on throughout the day. Temperatures about 5 degrees above average. So not a bad day to be out and about for our Sunday. Here's our mainland 7-day forecast. Mostly cloudy on Monday. Can't rule out a snow or a rain shower, but we'll call it dry for now. We have our presidential visit on Tuesday. Temperatures seasonable. Still a little chilly to be waiting outside all day, though. We see at the shore 43 degrees. That will be in the high temperature at Wildwood. 42 for Wednesday. And look how we're staying dry into next week as well. Looks like our next storm system after this Saturday could be next Saturday. We will be with you this afternoon from Avalon. In the meanwhile, you can follow me on social media for the latest in South Jersey weather, or you can sign up for my Something in the Air newsletter, where you can find more weather videos, articles, and more on our website, thepressofac.com/weather.